Hello everybody, in this video I will show a very simple way to clean the watch parts without using the watch cleaning machine. I know that many watch repair enthusiasts encounter this problem, and I will propose a simple way to clean watch parts. As you can see, for this I'm using a mixer which I believe exists at every home, and I took the mixer hook and attached to it a watch cleaning basket here, and here I attached I believe this is a tea basket. I use the rubber bands to attach it, and once it is attached with the part inside, you can attach it to the mixer and run it on the desired speed. And of course you can set whatever speed you want and also the time that you would like this to run. I believe this can give a very good cleaning result.